Good morning, students. Yesterday class we discussed about the types of matrices and addition of the how to do the addition of the matrices. Now today we discuss about the some more definitions. Okay. Now zero matrix. Zero matrix. Every element of the matrix is equal to 0, then the matrix is said to be zero matrix. The zero matrix is denoted by 0 of order per suppose 2 by 3. What is the meaning of that one? Means 2 rows 3 columns. This is the zero matrix. Next, what is that one? Next one is the scalar multiple of a matrix. Scalar multiple of a matrix. That means one matrix is multiplied by the scalar. How it is possible? Let us suppose A is equal to Aij of order m by n is a matrix. K is a number. K is any number. K is any number is called scalar. Is called scalar. The matrix obtained by multiplying every element of the matrix by K. Every element of the matrix by K is called scalar multiple of A by K. For suppose you take the example, A is equal to suppose 1 minus 1 2 0 2 3. Now we can find 2A, where 2 is the scalar. Every element of the matrix A multiplied with 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are minus 2, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. This is the scalar multiple of a matrix. Now, next one I have discussed about the scalar multiple of the matrix. So many problems asking in the CBSE exam point of view. How it is possible means, for suppose A is given, A is equal to 1 2 3 4. Suppose B is equal to 0 minus 1 2 3. Now you can find 2A plus 3B, this type of questions. Now 2A plus 3B can find. Now solution, 2A plus 3B is equal to 2 into A value, A matrix 1 2 3 4 plus 3 into the matrix B is 0 minus 1 2 3. Now multiplying every element of the matrix is multiplied with the 2. 2 4 6 8 plus 3 into 0 0 minus 3 6 9. Now plus is there, means addition. Addition means, yesterday we discussed corresponding elements will be added. 2 plus 0 means 2, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 means 1, 6 plus 6 is 12, 8 plus 9, that is equal to 17. This type of questions asking in the examination point of view, very very important one. Next, in this one also, to find the value of X matrix, how to asking the questions means, now in this way, A is equal to suppose 0 minus 1 2 3, per suppose B is equal to 1 2 minus 1 0, and the equation is given per suppose 2A plus 3B minus 2x is equal to 0. 2A plus 3B minus 2x is equal to 0. Then find x. This type of questions asking in the examination point of view. Now what is given? A is given, B is given, you can find the value of x. Now what is the given equation? First we can take the given equation. What is given means 2a plus 3b minus 2x is equal to 0. Now rearrangement of the equation. In this one minus 2x is there, that side, that is plus 2x, that is equal to 2x is equal to 2a plus 3b. Now what you can find? X we can find. X is equal to 1 by 2 into 2a plus 3b. Now 1 by 2 into 2a. Every element of the matrix A is multiplied with 2. Now 2 into 0 0, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, plus every element of the matrix B is multiplied with 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, minus 3, 0. After that adding, that is half into 4 plus 3 means 3, minus 2 plus 6 means 4, 4 minus 3 means 1, 6 plus 0 means 6. After that every matrix is multiplied with 1 by 2, that equal 3 by 2, 4 by 2 means 2, that equal 1 by 2, 6 by 2 means 3. This is the resultant matrix. Next we have discussed about the additive inverse of the matrix. Additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of the matrix? Now next one is additive inverse. Additive inverse of the matrix. For suppose let A be the any matrix. Let A be the any matrix, square matrix or rectangular matrix, whatever may be. A be the any matrix. A be any matrix. Then minus A means every element of the matrix is multiplied with minus 1. Minus 1 into A, that is called minus A. Minus A is called additive inverse of A. Additive inverse of A. Now we will take the example. What is the example? For suppose A is equal to 1 2 3 4. Now additive inverse of A is additive inverse of A is equal to, what is the answer? Minus A. What is the meaning of that one? Minus 1 into A. Every element of A multiplying with minus 1. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is the resultant matrix. Okay, next we have discussed about the next addition of the matrices. Addition of the matrices followed the some properties. Now addition of the matrices satisfies the commutative property. What is the commutative property? Properties. First one, addition of the matrices satisfies the commutative property. If A comma B are the two vectors, okay, have the same order 100%, because addition, properties for addition means we will do the addition of the two matrix, means those two matrices have the same order first of all. In this one also the two matrices have the same order. Commutative property means if A comma B are the two vectors, now A plus B is equal B plus A. A plus B is equal B plus A. Then the addition of the matrices satisfies the commutative property. Next, second one is associative property. Associative property. In this one we will take the three matrices of the same order, no problem at all. Now what is that? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. This is called associative property. Next one, existence of the identity. Addition matrix, addition of the matrix, properties of the addition. What is the identity matrix? Existence of the identity matrix. Now, existence of identity matrix. A be the identity matrix, 0 matrix. O is the 0 matrix. Then A plus 0 is equal 0 plus A is equal to A. This is called existence of the identity matrix. Next one is the cancellation laws are there. Okay. For suppose what is the cancellation laws means? For suppose A plus B is equal to A plus C. That implies B is equal to C. This is the left cancellation. Okay, this type of the properties occurs in the addition of the matrices. Now next one is the how to addition is over in the matrix, addition of the matrices is over, subtraction is over, scalar multiple of the matrix is over. Now we have discussed about the product of the two matrices. How to do the product of the two matrices. This is very important one. Just you are in learning stage, that's why we will practice more number of examples first of all. Okay, you will do very easily. The remaining part of the chapter totally maximum depends on the product of the two matrices. In the product of the two matrices, multiplication is important, addition is important, subtraction is important. Okay, listen carefully. How to do the multiplication of the matrices? First of all, what you thinking? You know the matrix. Those matrices, whenever the multiplication is possible, means those matrices have the same order. Yes, same order. Not the same order. Yes, the multiplication is possible in some cases. Okay, when the multiplication is possible, listen carefully. For suppose, the multiplication of the matrix is defined by simple example, the multiplication of the row by column. How will get? For suppose I will take the, for suppose A is equal to multiplication of matrices. Now for suppose A is equal for suppose A1, A2, A1, A2, A3, so on, AN. This is the row matrix. How many rows, how many columns? After that I will discuss. Next one is B. B1, B2, B3, so on, Bn. This is the column matrix. The horizontal lines of elements is called the row matrix. The vertical lines of the elements is called column matrix. Now in this one I will take only one row and one column. How to multiply those one? Row by column, multiplication of the row by column. How to multiply the one matrix with the another matrix? How? Now this is the product of the A and B. Don't change the order. Product of AB. The product of BA possible. For suppose the product AB possible, some cases BA not possible. That's why product of AB. First we can find product of AB. Product of AB means A1, A2, A3, so on, AN into B1, B2, B3, so on, Bn. The multiplication followed by row by column. Pre-multipliers, forced multipliers. The row multiplier is the pre-multiplier, column multiplier is the forced multiplier. Okay, now how to multiply? This is the A1, B1, this one. A1, B1. After that, you write the plus. Next, A2, B2, second element, plus A3, B3, plus so on, plus AN, Bn. This is called product. Whenever the product is possible, listen carefully. First we write the first matrix A. What is the order of the matrix? The order of the matrix A is only one row. How many columns are there? Means n columns are there. 1 by n. Order of the matrix always write by rows by columns. Okay. Next, column matrix. This one B. In this one, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, up to so on. N rows are there. How many columns are there? N columns are there. What is the order of the matrix? Means n by 1. Now the product is possible. Yes, only one numerical value means single value. This is also matrix, no doubt at all. This is the what is the order means? This is the order is 1 by 1 only. 1 row, 1 column. This is total only one element. 1 by 1. How it is get? Whenever the product is possible, the product is conformable. Whenever it is possible means in the first matrix, not always A. For suppose xy, x into y, b, c, whatever may be. In the first matrix, first we observe the columns. In the first matrix, whenever the multiplication is possible, first we observe in the first matrix, we observe the columns. In the second matrix, we will observe the rows. In the first matrix, in the product, in the first matrix, we will observe the columns. In the second matrix, we will observe the rows. Those must be equal. Then the product AB is possible. Otherwise, product didn't possible. Understand or not? Now in this one, columns n, rows n. Okay, possible. Now the resulting matrix, the product matrix, what is the order of the product? Means remaining 1 by 1. That is the 1 by 1. Understand? Now we will take the example. For suppose A is equal to row matrix 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. Sorry, 3 minus 1, 2. Column matrix. Product is possible or not? Yes. This is 1 by 3. This is 3 by 1. The product AB is possible or not? Product AB is possible means first we observe the columns in the A. Yes. B, rows in the B. Those are equal means 100% product possible. Now AB is equal to 1, 2, 3 into 3 minus 1, 2. Now product 1 into 3, 3. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 3 into 2, 6. 3 minus 2 means 1, 1 plus 6 means 7. What is the order means? 1 by 1. This is the product of the matrices. Whenever the product is possible, what is the definition of the product of the two matrices means? If A comma B are the two matrices of order, for suppose A is equal to Aij of order m by n, for suppose B is equal to Bij of order n by p. Now the product of A and B is conformed, is conformed. That is the product of AB is equal to C is equal to AB. What is that? That is Cij of order. In this one, number of columns. In this one, number of rows must be equal. The resultant product having the order is m by p. M by p. Now in the CBS examination point of view, 1 mark questions is there. In this one, this type of questions must and should asking. What is the questions means? For suppose A is given. A is a matrix of order 2 by 3. B is a matrix of order. B is a matrix of order Bij of order n by something 1. A is the order of matrix 2 by 3, B is the order of the matrix n by n, and the product AB is possible. The product of AB is possible, then n is equal dash. Thinking once, n is equal dash. Whenever the product AB is possible, means observe that In the first matrix, the columns 3. In the second matrix, rows must be equal. Means 100% n value is equal to 3. N value is equal to 3. Okay. That is the multiplication of the matrices by row by column. How to multiply row by column. Now, this type of questions must and should learn and prepare, practice more number of questions. Now, we are going to the examples of the multiplication. Already you know the how to multiply row by column. For suppose we multiplied with first row by column, all the elements write in the first row only. If for suppose you multiply with the second row, all the elements write in the resultant matrix second row only. Now how to do? For suppose A is equal to, for example, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 4. This is A. For suppose B is equal to 1, 0, 2, 4, 5, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1. The product AB is possible. If possible, you will find the product of AB. Product AB is possible or not? How to find? First we thinking product AB is possible. Find AB first suppose. What is the question? Find AB and BA. First it is possible or not? First we thinking. If product is possible means AB is possible means first we write the orders. How many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. In this one, how many rows are there means this is the square matrix of order 3 by 3. The product AB is possible or not? Observe that. In this one columns, in this one rows equal. Means product is possible. 100% product is possible. AB is equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 4. Next 1, 0, 2, 4, 5, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1. 100% product is possible. Now, what is that? Already before I taught that one. Row multiplication by column means first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Multiplied by row by column. How to multiply? You know very well. 1 into 1, 1. Directly 1 into 1, 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 8. 3 2s are 6. This is over. Row by column multiplication is over. First row. Next first row, this is second column. Now you write here, first row, second column. Now 1 into 0, 0, plus 2 into 5, 10, plus 3 into 1, 3. Next, first row, third column. First row, third column. First row, third column. Here you write 1 into 2, 2, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Understand? Next, minus second row, first column. The position of the value in the matrix. This is second row, first column. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 0 into 4, 0. 4 into 2, 8. Next, minus 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 5, 0. 4 into 1, 4. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 0 into minus 1, minus 0, 4 into minus 1, minus 4. This is the process, very, very simple one. Now adding 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 10 plus 3, 13, 2 minus 2 cancel, minus 3, minus 1 plus 8 means 7, 4, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. What is the order? What is the resultant order? 2 by 3. Here observe that the resultant matrix order is 2 by 3. Very, very simple one. Row by column multiplication. Already before I taught that one, how to multiply the row by column, you can apply. Now BA is possible or not? Check. BA is possible or not. First we write the B order. What is the order of the B? 3 by 3. What is the order of A? 2 by 3. What is the definition of the multiplication? In the first matrix, the columns. In the second matrix, rows you will observe. Now in this one, not equal means BA is not possible. Not possible. BA is not possible. That is very, very important. You will think once, we will do the exercise, all the problems, we will do multiplications, each and every one. Okay. Next one. In this one multiplications, one question is most important one in the examination point of view. What is that question means? If the matrix A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0, but the product of AB is equal to 0, BA not equal to 0. Now by using this one, multiplication of matrices, so many, for suppose in this one A is given, for suppose A is equal to A 0 0, 0 B 0, 0 0 C. Then show that if A is equal to this one, then show that A power n is equal to A power n 0 0, 0 B power n 0, 0 0 C power n. Yeah. A power n, induction type. A power n means, what is the meaning of A power n? A power n is equal to A into A into A into so on, how many times? N times, where n is the natural numbers. Now, we can multiply it with the matrix A, how many times means n times. It is possible? Not possible. By using the principle of mathematical induction method, we will solve this type of problems. How to solve? For suppose, the first we have to show that this one. First we will take the, already before class, means 11th class, we will learn the mathematical induction method. In the mathematical induction method, first we will take the given statement is S of n or P of n. S of n be the given statement. In this one, 3 steps needed. How to, it is true means it is followed by the 3 steps. First one is you have to show that S of 1 be true. Next, number 2, you have to prove that S of 1 be true. Number 2, let S of k be true. Third one, how to prove that S of k plus 1 be true. S of k plus 1 be true. These 3 steps satisfies the problem, that is true, otherwise false. What is that? S of 1 be true, S of k be true, S of k plus 1 be true. How to show that? This type of questions. A square means A into A cube means A into A square. You write A into A 3 times. No problem at all. How to do this problem? Okay, now first what is the statement means? This one. S of n be the given statement. What is S of n is equal to A power n, that equal to A power n 0 0, 0 B power n 0, 0 0 C power n. Observe that. Now S of 1 be true, first step. S of 1 be true means n value is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. Say yes or no. This is LHS, this is the RHS. What is the LHS of the problem? LHS is equal to A power n is equal to A. Now what is the RHS of the problem? Right hand side of the problem. A power n 0 0, 0 B power n 0, 0 0 C power n. Now substitute n value is 1. A 0 0, 0 B 0, 0 0 C. Now this is also nothing but the A. Now at n is equal to 1, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, S of 1 be true. Next, what is the next step? S of k be true. Now S of k be true means instead of n you write the k. S of k be true. Let S of k be true. That is A power k is equal to A power k 0 0, 0 B power k 0, 0 0 C power k. This is A power k. Now what is the last one? S of k plus 1 be true means instead of. Now let us consider a power k plus 1. What you have to prove? A power k plus 1 means in this one a power k plus 1 0 0, in that way you have to prove. S of k plus 1 be true means a power k plus 1. How to write this one? A power k into a power 1. Now a power k value already we find out. A power k 0 0 0 b power k 0 0 0 c power k. A, what is the A 0 0 0 b 0 0 0 c. Now what happened? Multiply, general multiplication. This is 3 by 3, this is 3 by 3 means square matrix 100% possible the multiplication, that is enough. A power k into a power k plus 1, a power k into 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 0, okay, that is 0, enough. Next, a power k into 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 0. What is multiplication means? This one. This is a power k plus 1. Means in that problem, instead of n we write the k plus 1, means this one. How to get this one? By using the principle of mathematical induction method. Principle of mathematical induction method, you know the first put n equal to 1, true, n equal to k, true, let n s of k be true, after that we will do in this way. Therefore, s of k plus 1 be true. In this way we will do the exercise. Okay. Please complete the exercise 1 addition, exercise 2 multiplication. For all those problems, please complete. Already before I told you, the multiplication of the matrices satisfies the commutative property, means may or may not be. What is the commutative property means? AB is equal to BA. With respect to multiplication, commutative property with respect to the multiplication of the matrices. AB equal to BA possible means, if possible, maybe AB is equal to BA possible, those two matrices have compulsory inverse together. Possible means, okay, next I will discuss about that. May or may not be possible, AB, BA possible. If AB is equal to BA, 100% commutative property. Next, associative property. What is the associative property? AB into C is equal to ABA into BC. This is the associative property with respect to the multiplication. Matrices associative property with respect to the multiplication. Next, distributive laws. Multiplication of the matrices distributive over addition. For suppose what is that? A into B plus C. That equal to AB plus AC. A plus B into C. That equal to AC plus BC. These are called the distributive laws. Now, existence of the identity with respect to the multiplication. Existence of the identity with respect to the multiplication. A be the matrix, I is the square, I is the identity matrix. AI is equal to IA is equal to 100%. The answer is A. Any matrix multiplied with the identity matrix, we will get the matrix A only, not I. You remember that one. AI is equal to IA is equal to A. Why? Because I is 100% square matrix. AI is equal to IA is equal to A. These are the properties. For suppose in the examination point of view, already before I told the one problem. First in the examination, A is equal to, for suppose 300 030 003. Then find A power 4 is equal to dash. Actually, some students will do how to do means A power 4 means A into A square. Again A square into A square, A power 4 actually. But before I taught one, problem by induction method. What is the problem? A power 4. What happened? A power 4 is equal 3 power 4. Directly 3 power 4, 0, 0, 0, 3 power 4, 0, 0, 0, 3 power 4. Multiplication, no need of the multiplication. 3 power 4 means 81, 0, 0, 0, 81, 0, 0, 0, 81. Now taken common 81, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. What is this? Identity matrix, that is 81i. A power 4 is equal to 81i. This type of questions asking in the examination point of view and mains level also this type of questions asking. Okay. Now, in this way, per suppose matrix multiplication, one problem is very important one. If then show that A square equal to B. If AB is equal to A, BA is equal to B, then show that A square equal to B. Very important problem. What is given? AB is equal to A is given. This is given. Now, right side multiplying with A, both side, right side multiplying with A. AB into A is equal to A into A. We will apply the formula distribution laws, associative property, associative property. We will apply the associative property. How to write the associative property? A into BA. That is called A into A means A square. Understand? Now A into BA already given. BA means how much given? B is given. That is called A square. Where you write the associative property? Now here AB, BA is equal to B is given. Now what about this? AB is equal to A square. What about AB? AB means A. Now A is equal to A square. Have to show that A square equal to A. Sorry, not A square equal to B. A square equal to A. A square equal to A. How to show that? It's enough. AB means A. Very simple. These type of questions, we will solve this type of questions. Okay, once again, thank you everyone. Please complete the problems. Before what I am taught, please complete the problems. Exercise 1 additions, exercise 2 multiplications, please complete. Tomorrow we will discuss the another topic. Thank you everyone.